ए वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज की क्लास में हम पैराडाइज लॉस्ट पार्ट बी की बात करेंगे। जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, पैराडाइज लॉस्ट ये एक इपिक पोएम है और ब्लैंक वर्ड्स में लिखी गई है। इसका फर्स्ट वर्जन 1667 में आया, उस टाइम 10 बुक्स में थी। और सेकेंड एडिशन कब आया है? 1674 में इन 12 बुक्स। सो आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं। What does Eve do when she first becomes conscious? Looks at her reflection in a stream. जब ईव कॉन्शियस होती है सबसे पहले, तो वो क्या करती है? लुक्स एट हर रिफ्लेक्शन, अपने रिफ्लेक्शन को देखती है इन अ स्ट्रीम में। What advantage does Saturn have in hell? Friends, Saturn's name before his fall from heaven was Lucifer, to whom Saturn refers as और grandfather किसको रिफर किया है? गॉड को। The fruit of which tree were Adam and Eve forbidden to eat? Tree of knowledge. Who is the chief of archangels in paradise? Michael. Who was Saturn's daughter and son in Paradise Lost? Sin and death. The two archangels who serve as generals in God's army are Michael and Gabriel. The reason for Saturn's fall was Saturn के fall का रीज़न क्या था? Pride. Who will fall through his own fault? Adam. Who said, think only what concerns thee, and thy being? Raphael. Classically, Urania is the muse of astronomy. Which of the demons is the strongest and most fierce? Moloch. What literary tradition does Milton refuse to follow? Rhyming words. The battle between God's army and Satan's rebels in heaven lasted 3 days. In the phrase, thy seed shall bruise और for the seed refers to Jesus Christ, और इसमें thy क्या रिफर करता है? in the phrase thy seed shall bruise और for thy refers to Eve. Sin was born out of Saturn's head, जो sin Saturn के हेड से पैदा हुआ है। Eve before the fall might best be described as a docile when creature. On the second day of battle in heaven, what does Saturn use that surprises God's forces? Artillery. The archangel Michael might best be described as firm and militant. Who cast the rebellious angels into hell? The Son, Jesus Christ. On which mountain does Saturn descend before entering the Garden of Eden? Mount Nefet. The line to create is greater than to destroy occurs in किस बुक में हमको मिलती है? बुक 7 ऑफ पैराडाइज लॉस्ट. द शॉर्टेस्ट बुक ऑफ पैराडाइज लॉस्ट इज बुक 7. द नेम ऑफ द सिक्वल टू पैराडाइज लॉस्ट इज पैराडाइज रिगेन्ड. जो पैराडाइज रिगेन्ड है ये पैराडाइज लॉस्ट के सिक्वल मानी जाती है। नेक्स्ट है हमारा मिल्टन्स पैराडाइज लॉस्ट हैज़ बीन प्रेज्ड फॉर इट्स ग्रैंड स्टाइल. ग्रैंड स्टाइल के लिए प्रेज की जाती है ये बुक। Saturn found Earth more beautiful than Earth. What is the punishment given to serpent? He shall walk on his belly. What is the punishment given to Eve? Childbirth will be painful. What is the punishment given to Adam? He has to do hard work to eat. Milton's unholy trinity of characters include Saturn, sin and death. For inspiration in writing the poem, Milton says he depends on the Holy Spirit. Who is the friendliest and most sociable of all God's angels? Raphael. The reason for Eve's fall was vanity. The reason for Adam's fall was love for Eve. What do Adam and Eve do after eating from the tree of knowledge? Sex. Who said better to reign in hell than serve in heaven? Saturn. Paradise Lost is the greatest epic in English language. How many pounds did Milton receive for Paradise Lost? 10. Paradise Lost was completed in the year 1663 में complete हुई है. Which devil is Saturn's second in command? Beelzebub. What does Saturn tell Beelzebub? Their sole purpose will be to never do good and evil. To never do good and ever do ill. What was a major complaint against Milton's portrayal of Saturn? He is too sympathetic. Milton criticizes what institution through Pandemonium? Church. In Paradise Lost, Milton uses the phrase angry Victor in reference to God. What is the meter used in Paradise Lost? Pentameter or blank verse. What is the stated subject of Paradise Lost? Adam and Eve's disobedience. Who said Milton favored devil's side in Paradise Lost? William Blake ने बोला है. In Paradise Lost, oil is not found in hell. Yes, it is true. Saturn takes the form of angel, toad and cormorant. How many days did the fall of Saturn from the heaven take? 9 days. Which fruit was there on forbidden tree? Golden tree. Book 5 is the story of Eden. Which was the highest tree in Eden? Tree of life. What is the meaning of the word pandemonium? All the demons. How many lines are there in book 7? The shortest books 640. जो बुक 7 है ये सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट बुक मानी जाती है और इसमें 640 लाइन है. एंड हाउ मेनी लाइन्स आर देयर इन बुक 9? द लॉन्गेस्ट बुक 1189. गॉड क्रिएटेड ईव फ्रॉम आदम्स रिब. विच एंजल कन्वेज मैसेज ऑफ गॉड टू आदम एंड ईव टू लीव पैराडाइज? माइकल. हाउ मेनी डेज वर स्पेंट ऑन द क्रिएशन ऑफ द अर्थ? 6. Who said Milton is in every line of Paradise Lost? Coleridge ने बोला है. According to Milton, God created the universe, the world and animal and humans in 6 days. Okay friends, thank you so much.